Hey everyone. Today we're going to learn how to make cool eye drops or tears very easily in After Effects. First, create a new composition. Turn on the proportional grid to help with drawing. Select the pen tool and draw an eye shape. Nothing too complicated, just a basic eye outline. Next, let's create the eyeball. Select the ellipse tool, hold shift, and draw a perfect circle. Duplicate that circle, make it smaller, and change the color. This will be your pupil. Rename these layers to eyeball big and eyeball small so you stay organized. Now duplicate the eye shape layer as well, so you have eye and eye 2 layers. Select both eyeball layers and add the set matte effect to them. Set the source to eye 2. This keeps the eyeballs contained within the eye shape. Parent the small eyeball to the big one so they move together. For eye 2, go to Layer Styles and add an inner shadow. Increase the size to give it some depth and dimension. If your eye looks too big, create a null object and parent everything to it. Then you can scale it all down together. Select the eye layer and add the CC smear effect. First, let me show you how this effect works. Adjust the position like this. Then add keyframes on From, To, and Reach. At the beginning, set the reach value to 0 and position it like this. Now move forward about 2 seconds. Adjust the from and to values like this and increase the reach value until the tear goes off the canvas. And you get this nice dripping effect. The CC smear effect has different types you can experiment with, so play around with those options. Also adjust the radius to control the thickness of your tears. Alright, let's get back to the tutorial. Adjust the position to where you want the tear to start forming. Now, let's animate it. Add keyframes for the from, to, and reach properties. Turn off the eye 2 layer visibility so you can see what you're doing. Press U to reveal all keyframes. Move forward about 2 seconds and add more keyframes. At the start, set the reach value to 0. At the end, increase the reach value so the tear drops off the canvas. Adjust the from and to values to control the tear's path and direction. You should see a nice teardrop effect forming. We're not done yet. Duplicate the CC smear effect and change the position and radius values to create multiple teardrops. Offset the timing of each drop so they don't all fall at once. This makes it look more natural. Select all your keyframes and press F9 to ease them. Open the graph editor and adjust the curves for a smooth, slow start and fast end. This gives the tears realistic motion and weight. Select the eye layer and press the pen tool. Click the mask icon and mask the layer to clean up any rough edges. Press M to reveal the mask properties and increase the feather for a softer blend. Turn the eye 2 layer back on for the complete look. Add a bevel and emboss layer style to the eye layer to give it more dimension. You can also animate the eyeball itself. Move the pupil around to make it look like the eye is following something or reacting emotionally. For extra realism, duplicate the eye 2 layer, change its color, and animate the path. Start with the eye closed at the beginning, then open it. Later in the animation, you can make it blink by animating the path again. Ease those keyframes too for smooth, natural motion. And that's it! You now have an animated eye with realistic tears. You can customize this in your own way, change colors, add more tears, adjust the timing, whatever works for your project. If you have any doubts, ask in the comments. That's it for today. Drop a like for more.